Hello, NOCE! All students and employees are now required to perform two-factor authentication, or 2FA, when signing into the district systems such as My Gateway and Canvas. 2FA works by adding another layer of security to your online accounts. It requires an additional login credential beyond just the username and password. To gain access to your account, the second credential requires access to something that belongs to you, such as your mobile phone or personal email. This change will increase the security for our students and employees and is a common method when interacting with institutions such as banks, credit card providers, and schools. If a recovery mobile phone number has already been entered, the following prompt will display and send a one-time passcode, or OTP, to your mobile phone or device. You will receive a text message with the one-time passcode. Enter the code in the one-time passcode field on My Gateway to proceed. Checking Remember This Device means you will not be prompted to do the two-factor authentication again for that device. Click the Login button to complete the process. And that's it! If you are a first-time user and have not enrolled a mobile phone or email address previously, you will be prompted to do so. Enter a phone number that can receive text messages. You will receive a text message with the one-time passcode to enter in order to verify your authentication. Enter the one-time passcode you got from the text and then click Continue. Once you reach the End User Self-Service screen, click Try to continue logging in to complete the process. Additional options are available if you do not have a device or mobile phone that allows texting. My Gateway will provide you with a couple of different options to log in if you wish to not use your mobile device. You will have the following options: phone number, email, mobile authenticator. Please note that choosing the email option will use the primary email address from your record on My Gateway. If you choose email, the OTP will be sent to the primary email address you use for My Gateway. It will take 10 to 15 seconds for the code to be delivered to your email. Enter the emailed code in the second factor one-time passcode field on My Gateway to complete the login process. You've done it! You've successfully learned the various ways to log in to your NOCCCD My Gateway or Canvas accounts with two-factor authentication. For additional assistance with the 2FA login process, contact our StarHelp customer service helpline or visit our website at noce.edu/2FA for step-by-step instructions. We look forward to seeing you in class.